Ma'am, already given.
Whoa.
Please mute yourself, everyone. Yes, good morning to all students. Today we will do the describing words. ठीक है, as already I have told you, describing words क्या होते हैं? Describing words are the words which tell us about noun or pronoun. Many times in the chapter, also in the reader chapter, also I have told you what are describing words. Okay, describing words are the words which describe persons, animals, birds, places or things. Okay, जो नाउन्स या pronoun के बारे में बताते हैं. Nouns क्या होते हैं? And the name of person, animal, birds, places, things, all these are noun. और जो इनके बारे में बताते हैं वो होते हैं describing words. Okay, जैसे the describing words tell about its color, shape, size, quality, number, ये सब चीजें बताते हैं. Okay, so let's see. First example is describing words tell us about color, shape and size. इसके बारे में बताते हैं, कलर के बारे में, शेप के बारे में और साइज के बारे में बताते हैं. ओके, लाइक socks, brown socks. Socks is the describing, sorry, socks is the noun and brown word is describing word. Okay, I think I have. Yes, so ये नाउन के साइज सो कलर के बारे में भी बताते हैं describing words. And window, second is window. Window is a noun. And what is please mute yourself, everyone. Respected parents, please take care of this thing. So the next is window. Window is a noun. So the square word is telling about the size of window. Window कैसी है, कौन से साइज की है, स्क्वायर है, सर्कुलर है, रेक्टेंगुलर है, ये चीजें बताता है. Then the third word is group of word is big shop. Now shop is a noun. Shop क्या है? Noun है, place है जो, वो ये noun है shop. So shop कैसी है? Big. The big word is telling about the size of the shop. Big shop, small shop. Okay, so square shop, मतलब कि big shop, small shop, narrow shop, wide shop. So size के बारे में बता रहे हैं. Okay, and number 2 ये बताता है special quality के बारे में भी बताता है. Okay, they tell us about the special quality of the noun. अब noun की special quality क्या है? If we take the example of tea, we say okay, hot tea. So tea is a noun and the word hot is telling about its quality. Hot जो word है इसकी quality के बारे में बता रहा है. Okay, then clouds. Clouds क्या है? This is a noun, many nouns. Okay, so dark clouds. Clouds कैसे हैं? Okay, what is the quality of the cloud? Clouds are dark. Okay, dark clouds, clear clouds. So ये quality के बारे में जो words बताते हैं, these are describing words. Okay, then pretty girl. Girl is a noun. कैसी girl है? Pretty है. Tall girl, beautiful girl. Okay, and short girl. So all these words which tell us which tell us about the quality of the girl, those words are known as describing words. Then at number 3, they tell us about how many is number of noun. Noun जब noun है. Number 1 is 4 glasses. So glasses are the nouns. So 4 glasses. Glasses कितने हैं? 4 हैं. It is telling us about the number of nouns. The number के बारे में भी बताता है. Those are also describing words. Then 6 girls. Girls is a noun. Okay. So girls जो nouns हैं उसके बारे में बता रहा है. कौन सा word बता रहा है? Word 6. So 6 मतलब कह रहा है कि okay, girls कितनी हैं? 6 girls हैं. It means कि जो words नाउन के कलर, साइज, शेप, क्वालिटी या नंबर्स के बारे में बताता है, those words are known as describing words. Okay, now the describing word is clear to you. Now we are going to do the activities. So this is activity number 1. Okay, so students, you have to write the suitable describing words for the given pictures of nouns. ये nouns की pictures हैं. First number पे है car, then dress or frock, you can say anything, and then or in the third picture it is a picture of pencils. Pencils, not pencil, it's pencils. Okay, so students, now you please write down the describing words, whatever you feel like. जो भी आपको अच्छा लगता है, describing words, you want to use describing words for this these nouns, Please write in the chat box which type of describing word you want to use for these nouns. Okay, so this is a blue car, very nice. Car is the noun, and which word you have used to describe it? Blue, very nice. Blue car, very nice. Purple car. Okay, very nice. This is the describing word. Here, this is not the describing word. Okay, this is a blue car, very nice. Blue car. कार के बारे में बता रहे हैं. Which word is telling about car? It's blue. Very nice. Blue car. Okay. Everyone is after blue car now. Yes. Please, beta, write about, yes, red dress. Okay, dress. Very nice. Dress is a noun. And which word is describing the red dress? Purple car. Okay. Blue car. Very nice. Red dress. Very nice. Uh, red dress. Very nice. Okay, dress only is not, yes, red frock. Very nice. Frock is the noun. Very nice. Red frock. Very nice. This, you can call it frock, you can call it red dress, no problem is there. Yes, colorful pencils, very nice. Colorful pencils मतलब पेंसिल्स की कलर के बारे में बता रहा है कि कलरफुल पेंसिल्स है. ओके, रंग बिरंगी जिसको हम कहते हैं. ओके, 3 पेंसिल्स, वेरी नाइस. नंबर के बारे में बता रहा है. इट इज टेलिंग अबाउट द नंबर्स. हाउ मेनी, व्हाट आर द नंबर्स. ओके, नंबर्स क्या है. वेरी नाइस. In the first, the some students have told the color, students have told the car, small car, big car, blue car, okay, purple car. Okay, some are telling about color, some are using the color, some are using the size. In the second one, some are using the beautiful quality, some are using the color. Okay, some are using the small frock, long frock. Okay, small dress, long dress, red frock. Okay, like this. Okay, then in number 3, you have used colorful pencils. You are telling about this, the color of the noun. Okay, some are using 3 pencils. They are you telling the number of the pencil. Now see, sab kuch, everything is covered here. Color, shape, size, quality, and number. Okay, every type of describing words you people have used. That's very good of you. That's very means describing words are clear to you. Very nice. Now I'll see the second activity. Yes, this is the second activity. Now please go with these numbers only. Okay, okay, number 1, number 2, write the number whenever you write the answer. And what is this activity is, in the chat, in the help box, some describing words are there. Describing words दिए हैं. और बेटा describing words को adjective भी बोलते हैं. I have told you many times. Okay, so describing words are given in the help box, and you have to fill these describing words according to the noun. Okay, जो नीचे है number 1 to 8 तक nouns are there, और आपको fill करने हैं describing words. You have to fill the describing words in these blanks. So at number 1, it's dash soldier. So dash soldiers, what describing word you will be using here? Brave soldier. Very nice. Brave soldier. Very nice. At number 2, dash sunflower. Which sunflower? Yellow. Okay, yellow sunflower. Very nice. Yellow sunflower. Very nice. Good. Very good. Yellow sunflower. Then dash boy. Dash boy. Yes. Which boy? Yes. Dash boy. Naughty boy. Okay. Naughty boy. Very nice. Loud, heavy, long, cotton, wild, brave, yellow. Brave is already used with yellow and naughty. Okay. So obviously naughty boy. Please check the spelling of naughty. It's Naughty. Okay. At number 4, dash box. Kaisa box? Dash box. Box kaisa? Heavy box. Very nice. Very nice. That's very nice of you. Heavy box. Heavy मतलब भारी. Box कैसा है? Heavy है. Okay. Then at number 5, dash rope. Rope मतलब रस्सी जिसको हम बोलते हैं. Okay. So rope. Dash rope. So long rope. Very nice. Long rope मतलब लंबी rope. Okay. Long rope. Very nice of you. That's good. That's good. Then at number 6, dash music. Dash music. Which describing word you will be using here? Dash music. Dash music. Loud music. Very nice. Loud music. Loud music. Very nice. Very nice. At number 7, dash animal. Dash animal. Now I will see what answer you are going to write. A wild animal. Very nice. Wild means ऐसे animals जो जंगल में रहते हैं. The animals which who lives in jungle, the forest, and they are never domesticated. उनको घर पे नहीं रखा जा सकता है क्योंकि they don't know how to live in the how to treat in the human being. ठीक है, so they always try to harm the human beings. So those animals are called wild animals. ठीक है, who live in jungles, in forest. Then number 8, dash shirt. Which shirt? Cotton shirt. Very nice. So students, very beautifully you have used these describing words to fill in the blanks. Okay, and appropriately you have used. Very nice. That's very good of you. And I want everyone should participate in this activity. Okay, so now the next activity. Very nice, all of you. The next activity is for you. In this activity, you will not write anything in the chat box. I am going to ask you by taking your name. Yes. Please don't write anything in chat box now. Okay, this is activity number. Please see what is this activity is. You have to pick the noun or pronoun for which the describing word is used. You have to see the describing word, which describing word is here, and you have to use you have to tell about the nouns or pronoun for which this describing word is used. एक sentence में describing words है और nouns भी हैं. आपको देखना है कौन से noun के लिए use हुआ है ये describing word. Okay, so I am going to open the list of participants, and from there I will see. Yes. Prablin Kaur. Prablin Kaur, unmute yourself. Prablin Kaur. Prablin Kaur, unmute yourself. Prablin Kaur. Hanji bache, read the first sentence. Please read the first sentence. Sentence number 1. Read the first sentence number 1. Sentence number 1. Read it. Yes. Yes, bache.
India is a big country.
Very nice. Now, what are nouns here? Which words are the nouns in this sentence? कौन से noun है इस sentence में बताइए मेरे को?
India.
India. Only India. Only India.
Country.
Country. Very nice. Country. Two nouns are there. India is the special name and country is the common name. Okay. Now you have to which is the describing word here? Speak out the describing word. कौन सा describing word है इस sentence में?
Big.
Big. Very nice. Now for which noun this describing word is used? किस noun के लिए use किया है big? कौन से noun के लिए use किया है? For which noun this? हाँ?
India के लिए.
India के लिए? See it carefully. Yes, for country. Okay. So here the noun is country for which the describing word big is used. Okay. Okay. Now second sentence. Mannat. Mannat. Please unmute yourself. Mannat. Mannat. Read the second sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read sentence number 2, beta. Read sentence.
Dimple is a famous dancer.
Very nice. Dimple is a famous dancer. Now what are nouns here? Dimple or dancer or both? अकेला dimple, अकेला dancer या दोनों dimple और dancer? बोलिए. What are nouns here? Manat?
Dimple
Only dimple.
and famous.
Okay, dimple and famous. Dimple and famous. Beta, dimple and dancers both are the noun. Dimple is the special name and dancer is the common name. Okay, so dimple और dancer दोनों ही nouns हैं. और कौन से noun के लिए ये famous use किया है? Famous is a describing word. Okay, famous is not a noun बेटा. Famous describing word है. ये dancer की quality के बारे में बता रहा है. In the first sentence, the big word was telling about the quality of the size of the country. Okay, here the word famous is telling about the quality of the dancer. Okay, so ये famous जो word है, this is used for dancer, not for Dimple. Dancer, famous dancer. Okay, although Dimple is a famous dancer, but किसके साथ ही आके लगा है? ये word जो है describing word dancer के साथ लगा हुआ है. बेटा describing words को show करने की two ways are there. Dimple is a famous dancer. जहाँ Dimple is very famous. Okay, Dimple who is a dancer is very famous. Okay, so Dimple is very famous. So this way दो तरीकों से describing word हम show करते हैं. जैसे these are red apples, the apples are red. Okay, two ways से use होता है. We have to see कौन सा word quality के बारे में बता रहा है, कौन से way से use करा है describing word को. Okay, now number 3, Ram has a big house. Abhinav Parmar, please unmute yourself. Ram has a big house. Abhinav, what are nouns here? Ram has a big house.
Ma'am, house,
Huh? House.
house and big.
House and big are nouns. Huh?
Ma'am, has,
House and big are nouns, बच्चे.
has.
Has. Oh, very bad. Parmar, Mr. Parmar, Master Parmar, Abhinav Parmar, that's not right, बच्चे. That's not right. That's not right, बेटा. Very bad of you. अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते हो. राज कमल
Ma'am,
सिंह.
your voice is not clear.
Okay, Raj Kamal, please. Raj Kamal, please unmute yourself, Raj Kamal. Number 3, Ram has a big house. Number 3. What are nouns? Nouns कौन से हैं इसमें? Raj Kamal.
Ram and house.
Very
Ram
nice.
and house.
Ram and house. And which is describing word? Describing word कौन सा है Raj Kamal इसमें?
Big.
Big. Very nice. That's very good of you. Ram has a big house. Now, जो big describing word है, for which noun it is used? किस noun के साथ लगा है ये? किस noun के लिए use हो रहा है? House के लिए कि राम के लिए?
Big house के लिए.
Yes, very nice. The big describing word is describing a house. House के size के बारे में बता रहा है. It is telling about the size of house. Then, which noun is there? Which for which the describing word is big is used? House. The answer is house. Okay. Number 4. The vegetables are fresh. Aniket. Aniket. Unmute yourself, Aniket. Aniket, unmute yourself. Huh.
Yes.
Aniket,
Yes, ma'am.
number 4 is the vegetables are fresh. Now, what is noun here? Which word is noun? Which words are noun? Vegetables और कोई और noun?
Are noun.
और noun है? हाँ?
Ma'am.
Yes, Aniket. Aniket. I think some problem is there. Prabnur Arora.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is this? Aniket, please बताइए ना. Number 4, the vegetables are fresh. How many nouns are there? कितने nouns?
One.
1. Very nice. Which noun? Which word is the noun?
Vegetable.
Yes, very nice. Vegetables
Vegetable.
are fresh. And which is describing word here? Describing word कौन सा है इसमें?
Fresh.
Are you eating something? हाँ? अनिकेत आप कुछ खा रहे हो क्या?
No, ma'am.
Okay. The fresh is describing. Very nice. सब्जियां ताजी हैं. Okay, fresh means ताजी. So vegetables are fresh. And for which noun fresh word is used? किसके बारे में बता रहा है fresh word? Vegetables के बारे में बता रहा है. Okay. Number 5. These are red apples. These are red apples. Trisha, please speak out. These are red apples. Okay. What?
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी बच्चे बोलिए जल्दी. Yes.
Ma'am. Milana.
Beta, your voice is not clear. Okay. Yes, Trisha बच्चे. These are red apples. Trisha, unmute yourself. I think it's not. Okay, no problem.
Ma'am, can I see?
Samar Singh Parmar. Samar Singh. Okay. Gunveen Kaur.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, yes बोलिए बच्चे. Number 5. These are red apples. So what are nouns here? Nouns कौन से हैं इसमें?
Ma'am, apples.
Very nice. Apples. And which describing word is used for apples? Describing word कौन सा इसमें? Which is describing word here?
Ma'am, red.
Red. So these are red apples. So red word is used describing the apples. ठीक है? Red जो word है वो apples के बारे में बता रहा है. So here the answer is apples because apples के लिए red noun जो है वो describing word है वो use किया गया है. Number 6. The doctor. Now Darshil Panwar. Darshil, doctor is busy.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What is noun here, बच्चे?
Doctor.
Doctor. Very nice. Doctor is here. And busy. What is this busy about?
Adjective.
Adjective. Very nice. You have used a different word, adjective. You have not used describing words. Very good of you. Both are right. Describing words and adjective. Very nice. Doctor is busy. Doctor बहुत ही doctor busy हैं. So here it is being told about the quality or the condition of the doctor. ठीक है, हम ये भी बता सकते हैं, condition बता सकते हैं और quality के बारे में बता सकते हैं. The doctor is busy. Okay. Number 7. What a lovely party it was. What a lovely party it was. Now I want to see who wants to. Okay, Shivang Jhanji. Shivang, what are you writing in the chat box? Shivang. Yes, Shivang. Unmute yourself, Shivang. Shivang. Now he will not be unmuted. Shivang, you are already unmuted and please tell me, read this sentence number 7. Shivang.
What? Ma'am,
बोलिए yes.
lovely party it was.
Okay, what a lovely party it was. Okay, now what is noun here? Noun कौन सा है? It was. This is a noun. What is a noun here? Noun कौन सा है इसमें? Shivang.
Lovely.
Lovely is not a noun. What a lovely party it was. The noun is party. Noun is party. Okay. So party कैसी थी party? What a lovely party it was. कितनी अच्छी party थी. Lovely. The lovely is a describing word. The word lovely is the describing word which is describing the party, which is telling something about the party. Okay. So party is the noun for which describing word lovely is used. So students, please do the practice of these describing words properly. Okay. So these are the activities which we have done today. And I think most of the concepts are clear to you about these describing words. So please do it thoroughly. And if you are having any doubt, you can clear your doubt in the queries. We are going to queries from you people after this activities. And please, you have to do the right part B and C in your books only. Okay, bache. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Happy Diwali, ma'am.
Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, ma'am.
Thank you.